Okay, so the leaks are in, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is looking like a serious upgrade. Not just a tiny refresh, but a major step forward in design. A reliable insider just dropped some fresh info, and from the looks of it, Samsung's folding phone lineup is about to hit a new level. First off, the size difference is immediately noticeable. The Fold 7 has a massive 8-inch main display compared to the 7.6 inches on the Fold 6. Side by side, the Fold 7 just looks bigger, vertically and horizontally. And thanks to the dramatically thinner bezels, it looks even larger than it actually is. The outer cover display is also wider, which finally gives it more of a normal phone feel when folded. That's something users have been asking for, and Samsung finally listened. The crease in the middle of the display? It's still there, but apparently way less visible than before, which is a huge plus. And then there's the hinge, redesigned to be more compact and sturdy. It makes the phone look cleaner, more refined, and overall just better. Some sources even suggest it might come with improved water and dust resistance, though that's not confirmed yet. Now let's talk thickness, because this is where things get wild. Folded, the Fold 7 is just 8.9 millimeters thick, compared to 12.1 millimeters on the Fold 6. When unfolded, it's only 3.9 millimeters thick, which makes it the thinnest foldable phone on the market right now. Yep, even slimmer than the Oppo Find N5, which was previously considered the sleekest foldable around. And if you're someone who hates bezels, you're gonna love this. The inner display bezels are down to just 0.5 millimeters. That's insanely thin. For comparison, the Fold 6 had bezels at 1.9 millimeters. And even the flagship S25 Ultra has 1.32 millimeters bezels. So yeah, Samsung really went all out this time. The symmetrical design, the flatter form, the under-display selfie camera. It all adds up to one of the cleanest looking foldables we've seen. Now, it's not all perfect. There are still a couple of frustrating choices. For one, Samsung is apparently keeping the same 4,400 mAh battery from the Fold 6. No upgrade there. And they're sticking with 25-watt charging, which feels outdated considering how fast the competition is moving. That said, if the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chip delivers better power efficiency, it might make up for it in actual battery life. All in all, if these leaks are accurate, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is going to be a major player in 2025. It looks better, feels slimmer, and finally breaks away from the repetitive design choices Samsung stuck with in previous generations. If you've been on the fence about foldables, this might be the one that changes your mind. Or, you could wait for the foldable iPhone, whenever that actually shows up. So, what are your thoughts on this? Share it down below in the comments section, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until next time, take care.